We felt it. A breeze off the lake, a cold gust over the prairies, a warm Chinook from the Rockies. Winds of change swirling across our nation. We've seen the evidence. In a time that's challenged our industry, our communities, our Canada, it's taken everything and everyone to weather the storm. But we've been going the extra kilometre for a while now, and there's no day like today to press on toward tomorrow. Tenaris has been building upon Canadian manufacturing for over 20 years. And as we celebrate 2 decades of grit and determination in Sault Ste. Marie, we're making an investment to go even further. To commit to making our manufacturing process the most advanced in the country. To transform our footprint in Canada, creating a world-leading industrial center. To keep connecting the physical with the digital for a better experience from the mill to the well. To manufacture locally new and better products right here in Canada, increasing our domestic production of what our clients need, and to keep investing in Canadians, those who will lead us tomorrow. That tomorrow will bring new challenges, to be sure. But Tenaris in Canada, we're up for the challenge. We've been here a while, and we'll be here even longer. That's what it means to go the extra kilometre.